Hi guys. This is useful for you if you are a Python programmer. In this video you will learn how to draw Mona Lisa using Python programming language. For this you need basic knowledge of Python. Let's start. First, we create a folder called Python project on the desktop. Then we start Visual Studio program. And open this folder. Once the folder is opened, we will create a Python file named main.py inside it. After the file is created, we start writing the code.
Import the turtle library.
The turtle library is an easy way to learn Python using a variety of shapes and drawings. Next function is turtle.tracer. The turtle.tracer function is what we need to increase the drawing speed. In the second step, we will download a photo of Mona Lisa from the internet and change it to a black and white photo using Photoshop. Now let's convert this image to binary number system, consisting of zeros and ones. After that, we change it back to the 16 number system and save it. Step 3. Create a Mona Lisa variable. Mona Lisa photo in 16 number system we assign the value to a variable named Mona Lisa data. This information is the black and white image code of the Mona Lisa photo. You can find code in the video description. We create a main function called drawFromData and write the image width, height, left and top coordinates, and pixel dimensions as its parameters. In this function, we first convert image data from hexadecimal to binary. The bin function will help us for this. We enter the data into this bin function and number which number system to binary number system. We equate the resulting binary data to the variable in binary. This operator helps to divide the data into two, which is as follows. Now let's explain the next function. This function is called regist. This function is a little more difficult. Visit this link to learn more about regist function. Let's start writing basic drawing codes. For this we use two for loops. The first for loop is responsible for drawing the height of the image, and we use the second for loop to draw the width of the picture. Move the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. The goTo function is the easiest and most satisfactory option for this. Now we can determine the points to be plotted using the following condition operator. Each line of this image has thousands of dots. We draw these points with dark colors. The combination of these many points creates an image. We use the t.forward function to connect the dots. We enter the size of the point in its parameter. We can optimize many of these same functions. For this we need to create one main function. We name it fr, that is forward and right. We enter x and y as its parameters. We put forward and right functions inside the fr function. Now we only need to call this fr function 3 times. That's how our Mona Lisa drawing program is ready. Now we can run it. But we have some error. JSON file was not created. Clear the terminal. Type npm init. Npm init is operator for initializing your project. It will ask you about project's version, description, entry point, test command, git repository, keywords, author, and license. Now let's run our program again. Click the Start Debugging button and select Python file. Wait for result. Even after we initialized our project we got an error. Let's change this function to this. Restart the program. In this video you have learned how to draw Mona Lisa using Python programming language. Try the codes yourself by watching the video carefully. If you like this video, subscribe now.